Welcome back, hodlers and crypto enthusiasts. This week has been full of exciting news. Bitcoin surged past 67k, and now everyone is wondering if it's too late to invest. We'll dive into the market analysis, we'll check some very important news, and we will make an analysis together because Bitcoin is pushing towards the bull season. Therefore, let's not FOMO and let's study what's going on in the market and if these movements are backed by some major events. Therefore, let's jump on some very interesting news. For example, Grayscale targeting multi-crypto ETFs, and they do want to include in the near future Solana, XRP, and Avalanche. As you know, these three are all great projects that need to be kept under the radar. If Grayscale is proposing to invest on them as ETF, if I were a retailer, I will go and study them if I don't know still what these crypto are. Very important news and to not be scared of is if Elon Musk, therefore Tesla, is selling Bitcoin because there has been a transfer of over 760 million of Bitcoin to an unknown wallet. Therefore, many funds has been under the radar, have been tracked, and we can see that there has been an outflow from Tesla of 760 million in cryptocurrencies. But of course, let's not are the only thing that is moving the market because this is actually not true at all. In fact, we can see that Donald Trump supported World Liberty Financial, which raised just 4% of total token sales. And this shows actually how retailers are still not interested into the crypto market. And we have to back up our data with real on-chain information. And as we can see, comparing previous cycles drawdowns, we can actually notice that we are in a 26 maximum percent drawdown during this cycle, and comparing it to previous cycle seems to be the last drawdown that we should expect. Of course, nobody knows if the market is gonna have a pullback or an instant rally, and we can only study data that we have. And during the last days, there has been still a lot of accumulation from the institutions, and right now we are over $19 billion accumulated in total inflow in ETFs. And I want to go together with you on IBIT, which is BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, and we can see clicking on net assets that there has been accumulation over the period, even though Bitcoin price was going higher or if it was going lower. There's been still a lot on accumulation on this asset, showing a lot of interest from institutions. And as always, now let's jump on the charts and let's analyze where are we heading. And we cannot ignore the liquidation heat map because it shows us the cluster of orders or open position, and we can see that there was a huge cluster around the $67,000. Another cluster which was already forming from the beginning of October, and you can check it here on the timeline, and as you see it's becoming more yellow and it's accumulating capital. We can see that there was another important level at 65k. Therefore, could be a possible scenario for us to be identified in order to be traded. Now let's jump on the previous analysis that we have made together. Let me quickly clean the charts. Actually, I could let me quickly clean the charts for you so that we are on the same page from where we left. And actually you should see also from the previous video that we had together that we have identified this rising wedge in orange, and we have predicted that the price was going up to reach our top from our channel, and therefore would have a retrace. We have identified as retrace this green box here, this zone, which before was acting as resistance until the price was under it, and after that it became support. We immediately noticed that this was becoming support also on the last video. Therefore, I suggest you to leave a like, a comment, let me know what you think, because last time we have identified this section because the price was creating a higher high and therefore a lower high, and this lower high here and this higher low, sorry, this lower high over here and this higher low that has been formed is completely changing the trend. And what we were expecting from this zone was actually to respect its mission, therefore to be a support for the price, because we have seen this crash during the missiles that has been launched by Iran, and we were expecting this price to act as support, which actually happened. It also created a double bottom in order for the price to continue rising. And right now we have identified as our first stop the previous all-time high, 68k, and we have this zone marked down by long time. And also last time I remember we did draw this channel here which was identifying where the price was moving. Right now, what do we expect from the chart? It's something very simple, but of course nobody can tell if the market will act in that way. What we can do is to analyze the possible zones that have the most probability to occur, to happen. Therefore, we can identify a new channel. We have this new trend line that has been identified right now due to this new point that has been identified by this support and this new trend line. And right now we can expect the market either to retrace on our trend line to then show strength and keep pushing on the upside, or it could actually keep pushing upside in order to find a new zone, or it can actually go back to our support, showing and finding more strength for the price to then go up. For sure, this type of movement, this type of formation is a bullish formation, but everything can happen in the market. So whatever you do, pay attention, study, do your own research, and remember that this is not financial advice. Therefore, guys, I cannot leave you without letting you know that there is still a trading competition where you can rank. Therefore, I suggest you to go check whether you ranked on the top 5, top 10 in order to get prices. Therefore, I remind you that you can trade and win a lot of interesting prices. Therefore, don't forget, sign up, and I'll see you on the next video. Before you go, don't forget to visit our Twitter X page in order for you to participate in the YouHodler token. To get the YouHodler token, it's very simple. Just click the link on Zilli, which is on our profile, and you need to complete all the quests on Zilli, or I mean, you can complete as many quests as you want. Just remember that more points you get on the Zilli tasks and more you rank on the leaderboard. There are thousands of participants, therefore I suggest to not miss out. If you like the video, please leave a like, a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video, hopefully with Bitcoin over 70,000. See you!